The subject of today's video is learning how to build your online business with a free internet marketing course from online marketing giant Anthony Morrison. Hello, my name is Don Novak, and this is my video diary series of my experiences as an affiliate marketer. I am a student of John Crestani, Devin Brown, and Anthony Morrison, and I want to pass on to you what works for me and what does not. Anthony Morrison's internet business training has been featured all over the world, and now he is offering his new students cutting-edge, free weekly internet training and free access to his members-only training portal, all to get you started on the road to internet success. Just click on the first link below this video that says free live training. These are just a few of the courses that you can choose from in his members only training portal. 1. Email Domination. Email Domination is an advanced course that teaches people how to get customer emails to their inboxes. The course includes pre-written autoresponder sequences for many of the top niches in the online industry. He also includes his branded inbox multiplier software that walks you through each step of sending an email to ensure that it inboxes and gets you the maximum results possible. Increase your ROI and learn how to dominate as an email marketer. You'll learn techniques about email marketing that you've never seen before, guaranteed. How? Anthony Morris has developed a step-by-step blueprint and software wizard to sending emails that actually hit the inbox. There's nothing worse for an email marketer than having your messages go to the spam folder. But hey, it happens. With Email Domination Software Wizard, you'll be walked through each step of ensuring your emails hit your subscribers' inboxes at insanely high rates. 2. Fan Page Domination. Fan Page Domination is one of Anthony's newest courses to show you how to build a fan page business online. Anthony has built a fan page with over 500,000 fans and managed to siphon off over 250,000 new email subscribers completely free using his techniques. Utilize Facebook to generate massive amounts of free and quality traffic. Fan Page Domination was designed to teach one of the most exciting strategies discovered at Morrison Publishing in the last 10 years. The crazy thing is, he discovered this unique strategy by complete accident. Everyone knows that Facebook is one of the best sources for quality and targeted traffic for your business. Most people end up spending thousands of dollars on paid Facebook traffic. Fan Page Domination shows you how he utilized Facebook's free fan pages to generate massive amounts of free and quality traffic to his websites. Using the Fan Page Domination strategy, he's been able to generate over 48,000 email subscribers in a single month completely free. Inside the course, Anthony Morrison breaks down each step of the process from creating fan page to discover how to make your post go viral instantly. You'll see hundreds of examples of posts that have reached up to 15 million people on Facebook. The great thing about this strategy, it will work on any niche for just about anyone looking for mass amounts of quality traffic to their online business. You'll learn how to go viral, get thousands of fans, build your list, and generate revenue. Another course is his Mastery Funnel Club. Mastery Funnel Club is an extremely unique, done-for-you approach to building your online business. Members receive access to all types of working business funnels, with 10 new ones added each month by his internal team. You can install and launch your business funnel with one simple click of your mouse when you use ClickFunnels. He's got funnels that work for affiliates, e-commerce stores, consultants, webinar presentations, product launches, and more. Master Funnel Club was created for his students in order to help them launch new funnel businesses fast without any of the techie stuff getting in the way. He knows the hard work is being creative and building out each page of your funnel, so he let his team of experts do that stuff for you. As a member, here's what you'll be getting: 10 brand new funnels each month. His team builds them for you to use. Access to his Request a Funnel feature, which lets you request his team to build a specific funnel that you need for your business. His monthly funnel building live workshops with his lead designer and funnel builder, showing you step by step how to build your own funnels from scratch or optimize the ones you have. And access to his niche funnels, also called profit cycle funnels, which include everything from opt-in page, thank you page, pre-written email swipes, and even offers you can promote. Next of his amazing classes is Instagram Mastery. Instagram Mastery is the future. Instagram marketing is the future. Learn how to take advantage of free traffic, influencer traffic, and even paid traffic to profit from Instagram's 1 billion plus monthly users. In this training, you'll learn how to quickly grow your following, supercharge your engagement, and most importantly, turn likes into profits. This training will teach you how to master Instagram for e-commerce, branding, and digital marketing. Another great class is his YouTube Traffic Masterclass. Would you like to get free traffic from one of the highest quality traffic sources online? His YouTube free Traffic Masterclass shows you how he built his channel from almost scratch to a consistent traffic source for his company. You'll see the exact techniques he's using to create content, generate more reach for videos, and ultimately turn video views into clicks and clicks into revenue. He's found this traffic source to be one of the most consistent traffic sources and ultimately one of the highest quality traffic sources he's found online, which is exactly why he feels you should be using this in your business. Traffic is the key to online success. And in this masterclass, he'll show you the exact strategy he used to generate over 30,000 highly targeted and completely free clicks from YouTube. Get free traffic from YouTube. You'll learn the techniques he is using to generate massive amounts of completely free traffic by posting videos on YouTube. YouTube can provide some of the highest quality traffic you'll find anywhere online. If you leverage their promoting you for free algorithm, you can get high quality visitors directed to your funnels completely free. With the YouTube Masterclass, you'll learn his exact techniques for finding content, posting videos, and optimizing your videos for massive exposure. I know these proven master classes from Anthony, which barely scratches the surface of the Anthony Morrison's training courses, will help you increase the internet sales of your product or service, especially if you're a beginner. Just click on the link below that says free live training. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next week with more of my marketing video diary. Your comments are most appreciated. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and please click on the subscribe button below. This is Don Novak, and I'll see you next week with a new video to your continued internet success.